This is the WJX3 patio furniture chase table cover. So it is waterproof, windproof, sunproof, mold-proof. So what you'll do is you can see right here in this picture, we have some furniture outside that we're going to take outside and kind of show you how this fits on a table. But it can fit on a fire pit. They have different sizes, circles, rectangles, squares. So depending on what you need to cover, you can order and get the size that you need. So we're going to be doing a long rectangle table with chairs. And so we're going to take this outside and I'll show you what it looks like once it's all connected and put on and covered and zipped up and everything. Okay, so you can see we've got this big long middle table. This is about 48 inches wide and 84 inches long. And so we're going to kind of unbox this and just go through. It does come with a nice bag, a carrying bag. It's a big thank you. You can get more information about the company and the products that they have. Actually going to move this out of the way. To be honest, it's probably better with two people, but we are in kind of cleaning mode right now, so a couple things that I see already is I see down here, if you can see this on the camera, there's some air holes here. And then I also see zip ties all over that we can strap things in place. So let me just show you up close. Here's some of the air holes here to get some air in. And depending on how you do this, if you have some extra rope, zip ties, different things like that, you could probably wrap the rope around the bottom. It does have this nice handle here. Like this, it does let a little bit of air in, but the moisture won't get in, so you can move this as needed. And again, depending on the type of furniture that you have and the size that you have, we've actually tucked the chairs in. During the summer and spring and fall, we actually bring these chairs back and forth depending on if we're going to eat outside or eat inside. And I think if there's any leftover, which I don't think there's going to be, but if there was any leftover, I would just tuck it under the table or the chair. We got plenty of space here. In fact, I'm going to walk you around this, but what we may do is I may put my foldable chairs in here or other products. But you can see that you've got these ties that pull. So let me just zoom down here so you can see, hopefully. So right down here on the corners, you've got these ties that will pull everything together. So as I pull, it basically pulls everything in. It's got a nice little button with the strings here. I can do that. And there's a set on the other side as well that we can pull. And one of the things that I did not show you is, now that I'm seeing it, is at least for this version, we have a strap that could go around the leg. So then it's basically connected to the table, and that would be on the inside right here. So I'm going to pull this off a little bit, but you can see I've got this strap that goes around. Pull this back where I can see this. You can see that I have an adjustable strap where I can actually strap everything to the table. So let me see if you can see right there. I can strap it to the table so it won't move if it's windy or rainy. Protects it from the sun. So I'm just going to kind of walk around. I'll pull this a little bit tighter later and get some ropes. We might put some other chairs in it, but I just want to give you a view of all the way around. So again, you have another handle here. If you had other chairs, foldables, you could kind of shove them right in this space here underneath a long table. Again, it depends on the type of table that you have and the shape and stuff like you have. And that drawstring goes all the way around both those ends. And if you can see this right here at the bottom, there's also a strap right here if you have a table that has kind of two legs in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can also probably bring it all the way under the chairs and strap it to the other side. There is a strap on the other side. So again, it depends on how big your table is, what you're looking for. This would work for a round table. They do make ones for round. You can see we've got some long chairs. It's kind of our last good day of fall. We have had some snow and other things, but kind of light. But it's supposed to be freezing this next week. Anyway, so if you have questions, you can leave a comment. You can also go to the product page and look at all the FAQs there.